No, we have no extra beryllium sphere on board.
You know, that is really getting annoying.
Look, I have one job on this lousy ship. It's stupid, but I'm gonna do it.
And our one job is to go through the methods course. But sometimes students have the wrong expectation of what to go through here. Sometimes it's because they're remembering what the intro class was like, and methods is different. Look, for intro, you start off with a problem, and your goal is to find the solution. The closer you are to the correct z-score or the correct p-value, the more correct your answer is. And it really doesn't matter how you get there, what path you take, or if there was some gap. As long as you can get the right answer, that's what intro needed. Which is one reason why using a computerized system to check the answers automatically makes a lot of sense. And in fact, sometimes we could have a string of questions. Find the null so that you get the alternative, so you get the z-score, which leads you to a p-value. Which of these answers is the correct answer? That's the way intro is. We call it a precision class because getting the answer is what matters. For method, we give you what the question is and the solution. We want to predict how long this computer will last. Here's several computers and how long they lasted. You can see the data. Now find the right curve that will fit there. And what we really want to see is, do you know how to go from the problem to the solution? This is called a skills class. Do you have the skill to get to the answer that we knew was going to be the answer we would get from the very beginning? We could tell the prediction was somewhere right around 12.5, and given the error, we didn't need it to be more accurate than that, but show us the proper way to do it with all the math. Sometimes that means there might be more than one way to do it, more than one skill set that can get you to the same solution, and that's fine. That's why we can't just use a computer program to grade things. That's why we have these reports and the final report, which is not automatically graded. I have to grade that myself. And what am I looking for? Did you connect them all the way? Or, like you can see here, are there gaps that occasionally show up? Something where your logic said, something like this, and I'm not sure how to get that. Well, that's a problem. You need to be able to show that. This is called a skill class. There does exist another type of class, which is exploratory, where there is no solution. You just have an arrow that goes off finding what you need. The thesis class is like that. But for methods, we are learning skills that will get us to the solution, and the solutions may not necessarily surprise us, but being able to explain how to go from there to here is really important. So in the next two videos, I'm going to show you some analogies of what this will feel like.